Hi, you want to create something like this in Photoshop? It is okay. Let's just go inside Photoshop. The size of the canvas that you want. I choose RGB because I'm not printing. Then after, I place my image there of the banana. I unlock my initial layer. Then I want to remove the background. So I use the magic wand tool. I click once and then first rasterize. Then after I click delete to delete the background. So I have my banana alone there. Now I can resize it the way I want. Can also resize. Then after I want to insert my text there, so I use the text tool. I set the color that I want, but it is not the case because it is going to be changed to that one of the banana. Then I write my word banana. For a detailed video, check out on my YouTube channel, The Tech. So let's continue. So I center my text and resize it, and make sure that you convert it to smart object so that you can use the warp feature to make it fit what you have put there, in this case the banana. Then after, make sure that you make it until you satisfied. So that is it. Then immediately I'll select my pixels from the text layer and go to the banana layer. Then I create a mask, I invert it, then I deactivate the text layer, and then after I will use the brush tool to make the other side of the banana to be visible. Don't forget that I have all the softwares: Adobe Suite, Microsoft Suite, the Blender, and others. So we are having our design ready like that. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.